In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin WhatsApp Web to Taskbar. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp Web opening in its own clean window, pinned to your Windows taskbar for one-click access, just like a desktop app. Start by opening your preferred browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and search for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to go to the web, whatsapp.com page. If the site asks for notifications or other permissions, you can allow them if you want message alerts on your computer. Make sure you're on the genuine site before proceeding. On the WhatsApp web page, you'll see a large QR code. To link your account, grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Go to the section where you can link devices, then choose to link a device and use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. Keep your phone connected to the internet during this process. Once the scan is successful, your chats will load in the browser, matching the same account you use on your phone. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three vertical dots. In the menu that opens, find and select Save and Share. This menu groups options for saving pages and creating shortcuts. A small pop-up will appear with options for creating a shortcut. Check the box that says Open as Window. This is important because it makes WhatsApp Web open in its own separate window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, making it feel like a dedicated app. You can keep the default name or adjust it if you prefer, then click Create. Your computer will immediately create a desktop shortcut for WhatsApp Web and may even open the new window automatically. Go to your desktop, find the new WhatsApp Web shortcut, right-click it, and choose Pin to Taskbar. This places the icon on your taskbar so you can launch WhatsApp Web with a single click anytime. If you don't see the pin option for some reason, you can also drag the shortcut directly onto the taskbar. From now on, use the pinned taskbar icon to open WhatsApp Web quickly. It will remember your session as long as you stay logged in, and it will open in that tidy app-like window you set up. If you ever need to switch accounts, you can log out from the WhatsApp Web menu and scan a new QR code. That's it. You've turned WhatsApp Web into an easy-access app on your Windows taskbar, saving time and keeping your workspace uncluttered.